Hello fam, today I'll be showing you how we achieved these braids with a curly bun. Hope you enjoy it and you're going to try it as well. Kindly don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe if you have not, turn on the notification bell and share with friends and family. Enjoy, see you on the next one.